Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. Happy Monday. We are back with our gratitude journal open collaboration hosted by Creating with Jovi, Lila Crafts, and myself. Paper Confessions with Karamia. Last week we did a belly band and incorporated in a 2-page layout. Just wanted to give you an update on how our Mod Podge leaves look like. So you can see that the color is still there and they're holding up. So pretty happy with our journal card and how it looks here using some of our natural elements. So for this week's prompt, it is fabric. So you can incorporate it any way you would like in your journal. Feel free to join in the fun and hop in and hop out if you would like. We have one more week next week, and next week's is Crafter's Choice. So I'm excited to see what everybody comes up. This week, our theme is fabric, so you can incorporate it however way you would like. Again, this is a hop in, hop out, open collaboration. You still have time to join. We would love to see how you create your page layouts, and it has been truly a wonderful way to get to know you guys again. This is our way of connecting and sharing, so I hope you guys join in. This is Thanksgiving week, and when I think of the holidays, it brings me joy and also brings me a sense of sadness because we miss some of the loved ones that are no longer with us. And the holidays gives us a chance to come together near and far and come home. So I am dedicating this to being thankful for home, and dedicating it specifically to a really dear family member who is no longer with us. She is my dear mother-in-law, Runu, and I miss her so much. Oh my god, I'm gonna tear up. I'm gonna try to hold this together. I love her so much. Hold on. Sorry guys, it's hard. I'm sorry. She's one person that has welcomed me wholeheartedly to their family, and she was a beautiful, joyful soul, and so I want to dedicate this to her with keeping in mind the sentiment, home is where the heart is. I have a snippet roll that I recently shared with you guys, and this is really special to me because this sari silk was a gift, one of the first presents my mother-in-law gave to me, and it happened to be hers. And so I was so really overjoyed and touched that she was willing to give part with it and share it with me and welcome me into the family. So I wanted to add that here. I've added some beautiful appliques that I received from my sweet crafty friends. And more recently, I found this sari silk that had these beautiful heart details on it. So I thought that would fit this layout here. So I'm going to cut this to size. I think I'll put it right here. And we are going to glue it on the page. So let me just cut this out. And I'm going to use some of our fabric glue to attach it. Now here we have another page. I want to be able to write on it, but at the same time, I also want to create a collage in just a little bit there. So I'm going to put this, hold on. In hindsight, I will probably look for another piece of that sari silk that she gave me because I would like to showcase the beautiful elephants that were on the back of this sari trim and make it part of our page layout. So I'm going to try and see if I have another piece that I can add to the page. So I'm going to and I don't want it to stick to the other pages on the back. I love the fact that this is shaped like a heart. And I love that even if it kind of overhangs over to the other side of our page, I'm going to be creating a quick collage. I have some of these scraps. Let's see how we can incorporate this. Oh, I love that bird. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a Daiso. This is beautiful here. I think we'll go on like this. Okay, and then I want to leave that out. So maybe I will go this way. Pull that down a little bit. And then we have these flowers, or I could, no, that doesn't. I may put, I think this is better. It's a little, I love the colors. I mean, she did love roses, and it would be nice to put something with a vintage feel to it, you know, and then all these bright colors that we usually see in the sari outfits that she used to wear. So I think I'm going to do that. So let me put some adhesive on the back of these, and then we are going to glue it down. And I'm going to again search for a piece of that sari silk and then add it here. So I'm just lift these guys. Let me just right here. And we have, oh crap, hold on. I want the bird underneath. So let me just pull this up a little bit. And I'll just glue it down after. That's okay. Okay. I think I have to trim that. I messed up on that. Hold on. Right there. Okay, I think we're okay. And then we're gonna put this piece right about here. And I'll probably I'll have to cut this and then add the sari silk probably around here, or right here, somewhere in the middle. So let me trim this. Let me just see how much. Maybe. Okay. Cut it right here. Right there. Just a little bit more. And then we're going to glue it down. Oh, that's nice. I like how that blue goes on top of that. Now there is one more piece I wanted to add here. This beautiful ATC card was made for me by sweet subby Maria L. And I just love that it shows a home, and I love the colors and the way she composed this. So I think this would complement this page really well. I may add just one more piece here, but let me tape this down or put some glue on it. So I love adding, you know, the pieces that everyone sent in maybe in previous giveaways and incorporating it in my own personal journals or other projects. So let's see, right here, right here. And then remember this cute little clip, I think right there. What do you think, guys? Might be overpowering to our house. Hold on, let me think of that. So let me see if I can grab a piece of that sari silk and add this as a little tab. Here it is. I just have a little bit left for it. I've used it for numerous creative projects that I've done, whether they're journal wraps and other projects. And I know that a piece of her, because she is also very creative, and that's something that she had always wanted to explore, but she dedicated her life to being a homemaker. And so I wanted to make sure that her dreams of creating went out to the world and became part of, you know, our just life in general, and sharing the joy and love that she's always shared with us as a family. So I think I will simply just put this like just like this, just a little tab. I want to be able to see the beautiful fabric, and then we have a cute little tab, and then I will do my journal entry there. So let me see how I can attach. Here is our layout for this week's gratitude journal. I'm thankful for home. Here is our sentiment. Home is where the heart is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this is dedicated to my dear late mother-in-law, Runu. We've attached the little tab of the beautiful sari that she gifted me, and here is the altered mirror I had made for her last year as a little tribute. I hope you guys enjoyed this little journal share. I also wanted to ask that you guys keep Linda from Linda's Creative Life in your prayers. She and her family have lost her mom recently, and I'm sending her my love and my prayers and my thoughts. Linda, we're thinking of you. Thanks again for joining, guys. I'll see you next time.